Hello everyone. In this video let we see the function of human skin. The skin is the largest organ in the human body, and it performs a variety of important functions, including protection. The skin acts as a barrier between the external environment and the internal organs of the body, protecting them from physical, chemical, and biological damage. Regulation of body temperature. The skin helps regulate body temperature by controlling the loss of heat from the body through sweating or the constriction and dilation of blood vessels in the skin. Sensation. The skin contains a variety of sensory receptors that detect touch, pressure, temperature, and pain, which helps us to perceive and respond to our environment. Vitamin D synthesis. The skin synthesizes vitamin D in response to exposure to sunlight, which is essential for bone health. Immune defense. The skin contains specialized immune cells that help defend against infections and other harmful agents. Water balance. The skin helps to regulate the balance of water and electrolytes in the body by controlling the loss of water through sweating. Excretion. The skin excretes small amounts of waste products such as urea and lactic acid through sweat glands.